So now my storyboard is complete. I have filled in all of my clips. I've previewed everything. Just want to make a note that there are a few frames that were very short. So as you can see, there is a police officer shot here, and I used it twice. I used the image twice, and when I am able to preview that, I'm going to just press the and that looked really good. So there may be some instances where your students' trailer themes will be the same. There's a very quick shot. This was only 0.8 seconds, so I just duplicated it. I used the same photo twice, and the effect looked really great. Likewise, there is a spot here in the trailer where it kind of goes back and forth. I'm just going to play it so you can see what I'm talking about. So that shot there between the lemonade stand and the cash register, it kind of bounced back and forth, and that was a built-in effect. It looked really great, and it might not have the same effect if I had chosen different images. So you may want to have your students send you a draft of their trailer before they publish it to either Seesaw, or maybe they can upload it to YouTube. That will be totally up to you, and it's an option. It's not required in any way, shape, or form, but I'm happy to assist you with if you wanted to get any of these on YouTube. I'd be happy to put them on my channel. I have 1.8 thousand subscribers, so the students might feel pretty excited about that, but please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you're interested in that. But as you can see, everything has been completed. There are a few images that I've used twice. I've covered some of the major themes of this book without really giving anything away. The other thing I want to mention too is that you'll notice none of my images have a watermark on them. Sometimes you'll see something that says Shutterstock in the background. Just make sure that your students aren't using that. Because this is for educational purposes, we are able to have a lot more freedom and leeway with the images that we choose. That being said, we don't want to choose something that clearly is copyrighted with a giant watermark on the background. So just maybe let your students know about that before they start collecting their images. Or if you want to have me jump into a Google Meet and talk with your kiddos about that and just practicing good digital citizenship, I'd be happy to do that. So again, when you are complete, your students will hit done in the left-hand corner, and from there, what they can do is they can play it. The play button is on the bottom left-hand side. The middle button is the share button. So if I tap on the share button, if you're in the classroom with the students, they could airdrop it to your new MacBook Air. So if you have a YouTube channel and you feel comfortable doing that, putting them on YouTube, feel free to have them airdrop it to you. It's really quick and easy, and it's a huge benefit now that we have MacBooks. So keep that in mind. They would just simply turn on their airdrop on their iPads. You have it on your MacBook that you can receive videos or photos from everyone, and you'll be able to just get their videos airdropped to you on Mac. So I'm super excited about that. I would definitely avoid emailing this, and it is just not practical, and the file will be too large for you to have the kids email it to you. They could share it direct in Classroom, however. They could share it in Google Drive. They have built-in sharing capabilities in Seesaw. They're just going to want to make sure that they have Seesaw open. So be mindful of that, to have Seesaw open. It probably wouldn't make too much sense to put it in Book Creator, because Book Creator might be something that you're choosing as an entirely different option if this trailer in iMovie is not something that you want to pursue. So those are your sharing options. Like I said, the major one is Seesaw. They could share it just with you, or if you put it on the blog, their classmates will be able to see it. Again, how they share it, where they share it is completely up to you. And last but not least, your students can save the video to their device. So this is not cloud-based. If they accidentally delete it, it is gone, and that would be heartbreaking. So just make sure that they share it even before they share it, just in case there's something glitchy with uploading it to another application. They may want to just share it to their device, and then it's in their camera roll. From there, they could airdrop it to you, or they could put it in Seesaw. Last but not least, I don't even want to mention this, but that delete button is going to delete the entire trailer. So you don't want to do that because it's gone. There is no way to recover it, and they would have to start all over again, and that would be really tough. So there's a lot of time and effort that goes into making these trailers, but you will see an engagement level among your students that you have not seen before. They get really excited about this. Even the mention of YouTube may get some of your students really excited in ways that you have not seen yet this year. So feel free. But again, if that's not something you're interested in, no worries. It's totally optional. But I am here to support you. If that's something you want to take on, I'd be so happy and eager to help you with that. I hope this has been helpful and that you feel as though this is something that you could try with your students, either on your own or with my support. Please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am happy to help you in any way I can, whether you are experienced with iMovie or not. And I appreciate the time you spent to watch these tutorials. And I will see you soon. Thank you.